Old Monk. Old Monk rum is a watered Indian dark rum launched in 1855. It is a dark rum with a distinct vanilla flavor with an alcohol content of 42.8%. It is produced in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and have registered office in Solan, Himachal Pradesh. Type of the alcohol: rum. Manufacturer: Mohan Meakin. Country of origin: India. Introduced in 1855. Alcohol by volume: 42.8%. Color: dark maroon. Flavor: vanilla. Variants of Old Monk: Old Monk Supreme Rum, Old Monk Gold Reserve Rum, Old Monk Extra Special Triple X Rare Rum, Old Monk Deluxe Triple X Rum, Old Monk White Rum, Old Monk 10,000 Super Beer. There is no advertising for Old Monk. Its popularity depends on word of mouth and loyalty of customers. However, in 2013, Old Monk lost its rank as the largest selling dark rum to McDowell's No. 1 Celebration Rum. Old Monk has been the biggest Indian-made foreign liquor (IMFL) brand for many years. Old Monk was ranked 5th among Indian spirits brands at the Impact International's 2008 list of top 100 brands at retail value, with a retail value of $240 million United States dollars. It is sold in 6 size variants: 90 ml, 180 ml, 375 ml, 500 ml, 750 ml, and 1 liter bottles. Old Monk had been awarded gold medals at Mont Selections since 1982. History of Old Monk. In 1855, an entrepreneurial Scotsman named Edward Abraham Dyer, father of Colonel Reginald Dyer, set up a brewery in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, to cater to the British requirement for cheap beer. This brewery changed hands and became a distillery by the name of Mohan Meakin Private Limited. Old Monk, reportedly a creation of Wade Ratham Mohan, former managing director of Mohan Meakin, was first introduced in India in the 1960s. Colonel Wade Mohan, brother of Kapil Mohan, had been inspired by the serene life of Benedictine monks and the drinks they brewed as they led their ascetic life in the mountains where they lived in content. And hence, the drink got its name. Before Old Monk, there was Hercules rum, still sold, that was distilled exclusively for the armed forces. Superior in taste, and perhaps even in quality to Hercules, as loyalists believe, the brand soon became one of the leading dark rums in the world, and perhaps the most popular IMFL brand in the country. The affordable pricing strategy has also worked in their favor. There was a time when Old Monk dominated the rum market. There were other brands also, but none came close in quality or popularity. About 8 million bottles were sold annually. As of 2015, the sales are a quarter of that, and they continue to decline. There were recent rumors about Old Monk closing down, but its makers, Mohan Meakin Limited, assured that Old Monk is not going to be taken off market. Varieties of Old Monk. While the 7 years aged Triple X rum grade is the most popular, there are Supreme and Gold Reserve varieties which are gaining in popularity. These are aged for 12 years and are blended with highly matured spirits. Supreme also comes in a special bottle with the shape of a standing monk. The top part of the monk's head is the bottle cap, which also doubles up as a peg measure. There is a limited edition that was launched in 2013. The number of years it has been aged is unclear. The box states, very old watered. The 1 liter bottle is in the shape of the Old Monk's face. Old Monk Supreme Rum, Old Monk Gold Reserve Rum, Old Monk Triple X Rum, Old Monk Deluxe Triple X Rum, Old Monk White Rum, Old Monk Legend, Limited Edition, the recently launched Old Monk Legend, which are aged slightly longer. Old Monk, the Connoisseur Collection, includes Old Monk Orange Rum, Old Monk Lemon Rum, Old Monk Apple Rum, Old Monk White Rum, Old Monk Coffee Flavored Rum, Old Monk Amber, Old Monk Cola, Old Monk Cranberry, Old Monk Mojito, and Old Monk Tropical Passion. Old Monk is sold by some retailers in Russia, United States, UK, Germany, Japan, UAE, Estonia, Finland, Qatar, New Zealand, Canada, Kenya, Uganda, Zambia, Cameroon, Australia, Singapore, Bahrain, Malaysia, Cyprus, and Oman. This is all about Old Monk rum. For more such informative content, please subscribe to our channel, All About Alcohol.